Good evening. This is my night. This is my peaceful night.
This is my peaceful night at home.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom slowly. I go to the bathroom slowly to take a bath. I wash my face. I wash my face with warm water. I wash my face with warm water before bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth carefully.
I brush my teeth carefully and look in the mirror.
I take a bath. I take a warm bath.
I take a warm bath and relax quietly.
I dry my hair. I dry my hair gently.
I dry my hair gently after my bath.
I wear my pajamas. I wear my soft pajamas.
I wear my soft pajamas and feel relaxed.
I go to my bedroom. I walk quietly to my bedroom.
I walk quietly to my bedroom with soft steps.
I play music. I play soft music. I play soft rain sounds to relax. I read a book. I read a novel.
I read my favorite novel.
I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights slowly. I lie down. I lie down and close my eyes. Good night. Sleep well and have a good dream.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.